Time. Here's some cool effects you can do with the time node in the material editor. Billboard panning. Pretty straightforward. And let's preview it. Billboard panning in between two textures, this one with a different approach. The exposed parameters are safe to tweak for achieving various effects. Fade in and fade out in between two textures. This relies on some quick maths, as described here, to allow shifting between the two at whichever intervals we require. Distortion. Note that all the assets used in this video are from the engine. Tweak the exposed parameters to our liking. Scanlines. Edge glow. Can also amplify the effect by tweaking the UVs. And last but not least, dissolve. This one requires to be actually plugged in the main material to allow control over other parameters such as opacity. Can also change the color of the dissolve, the scale of the dissolve, and other exposed parameters as seen in this example. And it's good to note that all of these material examples can be adapted to be controlled via a parameter. If you want more runtime control, tune in every week for quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.